Kim, winds are gusting here a bit in Coal Creek Canyon, and we know on days like this, there is a potential for downed power lines. And you mix that in with all the dry fuel out here, it could be a recipe for a wildfire. So today, we talked to Core Electric Cooperative in the middle of a busy day for their crews. They serve almost 170,000 customers along the Front Range. Knowing that today was going to be windy, Core actually made some changes. They increased the sensitivity of their system's monitoring and protective devices. So that essentially put the grid on high alert so that crews could respond more quickly to things like trees falling on power lines. This is a proactive step that they take on days with high wind and fire danger.
So that any kind of detect of a fault on our power lines actually flips that breaker and reduces the power, eliminates the power, so we eliminate the risk of sparking, igniting a fire in those dry fuel conditions.
Taking a step like this, though, can also lead to power outages, but Core Electric Cooperative says that it can also prevent wildfires, which is a huge priority. And we know, Kim, that downed power lines certainly can lead to wildfires. We just saw the one this morning in the Carriage Hills neighborhood of Boulder. Thankfully, of course, no one hurt in that and no structures were damaged.